Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. Today I'm in this HDB 4-room flat at Block 264 Toa Payoh East, and the size of this HDB flat, right, is 1001 square feet. So over here today I have seller over here to share with us about his experience living here. Okay, so sir, don't mind, can I just check with you, how long have you been staying here?
I've been staying here for slightly 5.5 years.
5.5 years. Okay, so what is your experience staying in this part of Toa Payoh?
It's very convenient. A lot of shops, market nearby. Then you can go to the interchange within like 5-10 minutes. You can also walk or take a feeder bus. It's just 2 bus stops away. And there are a lot of amenities around. There's Safra just opposite across the road. You can go for your swim there. You can go for your gym there. There used to be a stadium there and swimming pool. I mean the public Singapore Sports Council, but it has been torn down, making way for the new upcoming HDB Toa Payoh hub, which will be ready in say about 5 years, I guess. Yeah, so a lot of happenings around here, a lot of neighborhood schools around. Yeah.
Okay, great. So in terms of the supermarket, right, usually where do you go to buy your grocery?
For groceries, the nearest will be just across. There's Giant. Then if you walk further down a bit, then you'll be the HDB hub. Already you can find NTUC and also Giant and a lot of other convenience stores as well.
Oh yeah, I also remember that at the Toa Payoh Central, there's also a food court that is all halal, right?
Yes, right above Courts. It's called Fork and Spoon.
Yes, correct. So far and spoon. Okay, so that's very good information about the surrounding. So about this house, right, can you share with me more about how do you find the layout of this house?
There's something special about this house. Is being designed like not like your normal BTOs in terms of the layout, as in it's a point block. Actually, it's a new school point block whereby there's only 4 units in each block and there are no corridors, so there, in terms of that, you have more privacy in a way. And for my unit, no doubt I'm on the second floor. It's very windy. You get the morning sun, and my living room and my rooms are facing the park, so not facing the main road, so it's relatively quiet. Yeah, and I've got a bigger corridor space as compared to my next door neighbor. If you were to come by and take a look.
Okay, great. I think that is a very good sharing. So I'll be sharing with you guys some short clip regarding about this house. Then if you guys have any interested to know more about this house, right, feel free to DM and contact me, and I'll share with you guys more information about this house. Alright, so over here in Homeseller, we help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1999, condo for 4999, and landed for 9999. Okay, so do share and like, and also check out our Google review and follow us for more interesting content. Bye bye.